Don't forget this broadcast is just one part of the PPR viewing experience. At KUSI.com/PPR, you can see full-length features. Full-length features like the Jerome's Furniture, Sounds of the Game. This week, it's Theo Goodwin wearing the wire. PPR is going to be right back.
You want to say something to the mic?
Is the mic on you?
I'm mic'd up.
No, you're not.
Okay, I'm not. I've heard jokes about my calves every day.
But I'm coming from a different angle about it.
No, you're not. Did I get caught? Did I get caught?
Yeah, good angle on you.
Hey, look at the hair getting right now. The hair getting right now. It was quick. You gave him whiplash. So he was like, oh snap. How many touchdowns you got?
Yo, what's up, Train?
I think that microphone first. Get out of here. Who told you to say that? That's not your words.